Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can get all these kind of models, all these materials in the HDRIs, all this for free. We're using a built-in Blender extension called BlenderKit. So let's get started. First, if you don't have it already, you might have to download it from Google, or you might already have it in your Blender pre-installed. You just need to activate it. So go into Preferences, go into Add-ons, the Add-on tab, type BlenderKit. And as you can see here, we have the BlenderKit library. Just turn it on. And as you can see, you have all kind of materials and models that you can use freely. That's it. Thanks for